Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to order Tesla Model 3 full guide. Start by choosing a trim, battery, and interior that fit your daily driving and budget. Use the Tesla configurator to compare range, acceleration, and wheel options, and review paint and interior samples. Have your license and proof of insurance ready, and consider available incentives and charging needs before confirming your order online or at a store. Talk about paying for your Model 3 in a clear way so you can pick the best route. Compare cash, lease, and loan options and run numbers for monthly payments and total cost. Include down payment scenarios and consider incentives that might lower your price. If financing, pull your credit and pre-qualify to speed approval. If leasing, check mileage limits and end-of-lease terms to avoid surprises. Plan for delivery and a smooth handoff with a few smart steps. Track your order in the Tesla portal and confirm your delivery window, then inspect the car for cosmetic or functional issues at handover. Connect your Tesla account and mobile app immediately to enable keyless entry and charging features. Learn basic touchscreen controls, schedule your first service if needed, and locate nearby superchargers for confident first drives.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.